Let's take a moment to review this example of an automated, nest-based panel processing cell. Manufacturing begins with effective management of raw materials. The HOMAG StoreTech system delivers the right board to the right machine at the right time, undamaged and with minimal to no operator involvement. As panels enter the cell, each workpiece is automatically pre-labeled and sent to two HOMAG Synthetech nesting machines. These machines automatically load and position each panel, activate vacuum hold down, and perform vertical drilling, machining, and formatting. Scrap is efficiently sized, dust is removed, and the completed nests are outfed for the next cycle. Two outfeed tables support the process. One cleans residual dust to prepare parts for robotic handling, and the second provides buffer capacity to balance nesting cycles ranging from 2 to 6 minutes. From here, Automatech Robotik takes over. Robot 1 uses an AI-enabled vision system to identify the exact location and orientation of each part, as well as machined features. The ORRA end-of-arm tool creates an optimized pick routine, placing vacuum cups around part features for safe handling. With multi-pick technology, one robot can efficiently tend both nesting machines and two dowel insertion machines. Buffer tables allow the robot to clear nests quickly and prioritize parts for downstream processes. When labels are missing or parts aren't recognized, the system rescans and resolves issues automatically, only routing parts for operator review when needed, without stopping production. Mounted on a floor-level linear rail, the ORRA robot also loads and unloads two HOMAG DrillTech dowel insertion machines. Parts then exit through smart conveyors into Robot Cell 2. In this second cell, another ORRA robot partners with a HOMAG V310 vertical machining center. AI helps balance workloads by shifting drilling operations when needed. Robot 2 loads and unloads the drill, then organizes clean, stable stacks of finished parts ready for edge banding.